Before you play the game, you need to get 3 dice. Colored pencil with unique color for each player. And print of a map. On the map you have action grid, price list, scoreboard, and finally a map itself. There are 4 hex types on a map. 3 hex types are associated with their respective good type. 4th hex type is a city. Some hexes may produce goods that are shown on a bottom part, and have factory icon on upper part of a hex. Before playing, choose first player randomly. The game is played in 9 rounds. Each round, all players will take their turn one by one. Each turn has 3 steps. Firstly, during your turn you will roll 3 dice. If you don't like the result of first roll, you may reroll any number of them, once. Secondly, you put those dice on action grid. For each die you may pick 1 out of 3 action tiles present in that line on an action grid. In addition, each round you may use 1 action tile for free each round. Free action tile is placed in upper left corner of action grid. There are 4 basic action types on action tiles. Gather funds. Funds let you build constructions such as railroads, factories and stations. Building railroads. Railroads are used to deliver goods from factories to cities. You may build at most 1 railroad at each hex. Building factories. Factories are used to produce goods that must be delivered to cities. Building stations. Station built in a city gives points for each delivery that goes through this city. Each time you build something, you must pay a price with your gathered funds. In this example I use die with 6 pips to get 3 funds, then I use die with 4 pips to get another 3 funds, which sums up to 6 funds. Then by using die with 2 pips, I build a factory on mountains with iron which costs 4 funds. At last I use free action in upper left corner and get additional 1 fund from, which makes it so I have 3 funds, and allows me to build additional railroad, which I build on mountains. The last step of each turn is delivery. It is fully optional. You may deliver at most 1 good each turn. You deliver goods from your factories to cities by using railroads. After you deliver something you must remove all your railroads that were used to deliver this good. And remove factory which was used to produce this good. You do not remove railroads on any cities. And do not remove railroads from the same tile as factory you delivered from. During delivery you get points for number of hexes your good went through, and multiply it by good multiplier that depends on its type. Because it is 3rd round, you get 5 bonus points to a sum of 17 points. After 9 rounds you sum up all points gained by all players. Player with the most points is a winner.